G'day YouTube. This is a video tutorial on how to build a computer. This video here is just showing you all the parts and compatibility of parts. So basically what we got the CPU. Now this one is an AM2 Plus CPU. So you need a motherboard that has AM2 that supports socket AM2, AM2 Plus, AM3 for this to work. Otherwise your CPU won't fit, it won't work, so on. So make sure you pick the motherboard. It'll have all the specs on it if it's a reputable website. Also, this motherboard here takes DDR3 RAM. So we've got some DDR3 here, 4 gig. This one, I chose this one because I've never had a problem with Patriot RAM. 1333 megahertz, so it's not a bad sort of speed, and it was relatively low cost. So then move on to CPU cooler. I bought an aftermarket one because I really don't like the stock AMD ones. So I just grabbed one of these, Sigmatech Red Scorpion. It was $39 or something, so threw that in there. Very good performance out of these things. We've got a Seagate 1TB hard drives. It's a SATA drive, so when you're buying your SATA drives, you got to make sure that you've got an adequate number of SATA ports on the motherboard, otherwise you're going to run out of slots. Also, we've got a graphics card. Now, graphics cards are relatively compatible with every motherboard as long as it has a PCIe X16 slot. Some of the older ones, the first ones that come out were PCIe X8, I think. They will still work. They'll be fine. You'll be bottlenecked a little bit, but no worries. Also, there's older graphics cards which have an AGP port, which is sort of like it's got like a notch here and a notch here or something. That's for older motherboards as well. So you got to make sure you get the right graphics card to suit. Need a power supply, a decent quality power supply. This is only GT240, so it doesn't take much power. So 450 watt Antec good quality power supply will run that fine, and it'll be good for future upgrades as well. Also, we have it's a SATA DVD drive, nothing too fancy. A decent toolkit. So you need now this is probably overkill, but yeah, something like that. So you don't never get stuck when you're looking for screws. When you're trying to do screws and parts and stuff. Also, out of the motherboard box, the motherboard should come with these. If not, they're not too expensive. Just SATA cables for hard drive and disk drive. This motherboard only comes with 2, so if you've got more hard drives or more disk drives, you're going to have to buy more. Also the I/O shield plate, which comes with the motherboard. And fans are optional if your case doesn't come with fans. This is just a clear case which my boss had and said he didn't want, so I took it off his hands. I thought it'd be good to actually see what to see how to build the computer in it, because it's all clear. There's no, you can see through perspex, you can't see through metal and aluminium, so good case to design it in. This isn't the final case. The final case is a Thermaltake V5 Black Edition. So yeah, that's about it. Next video we'll be showing you how to do the CPU, CPU cooler, and RAM onto the motherboard.